Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin using a credit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to make an instant cryptocurrency purchase with this payment method. Step 1. Understand that buying Bitcoin with a credit card offers instant purchases but typically comes with higher fees ranging from 3 to 5% compared to bank transfers. And some credit card companies treat crypto purchases as cash advances with additional fees and interest. Step 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that accepts credit card payments, such as Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, or KuCoin. Verify that they accept cards from your country and card network. Step 3. Complete account registration and identity verification on your chosen exchange. Credit card purchases often require full KYC verification, including photo ID and proof of address. Step 4. Add your credit card to your exchange account by navigating to the Payment Methods section and entering your card details, including card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Step 5. Verify your credit card by completing any additional authentication steps required by your bank or the exchange, which may include a small test charge or 3D secure verification for security purposes. Step 6. Navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section and select credit card as your payment method. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the dollar amount you want to spend. Step 7. Review all transaction details carefully, including the exchange rate, processing fees, and total amount that will be charged to your credit card. Fees can be significant, so ensure you're comfortable with the total cost. Step 8. Confirm your purchase and approve any authentication requests from your bank. Your Bitcoin should appear in your exchange account within minutes, though some platforms may impose a holding period before allowing withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.